find the derivative of the square root of 9 minus 2 tangent x. Listen, I know the chain rule topic is a little bit confusing, but you can do it. I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself as well. Before we start differentiating this function, it's highly recommended to rewrite this function as the 9 minus 2 tangent x raised to the 1/2. Now you need to identify which function is inside and which function is outside. The inside function is literally inside of these parentheses. It's actually inside in this case. So you see function raised to the 1/2. You can call it g if you want, and then it's going to be g of x to the 1/2. Thus, you are, again, just like in the previous example, dealing with the power rule first. So 1/2 goes down, copy the function, copy, change the power. 1/2 minus 1 gives you negative 1/2. Did you remember that? 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. Now chain rule says times, and you multiply by the derivative of the function out, or the function inside. Now you kind of unlocked the next level of the game. When you finish this first part, you finally can look inside and you identify what was the function inside. The function g is 9 minus 2 tangent x. So I'm multiplying by 9 minus 2 tangent x prime. At some point, I will stop writing this step in red and I will just take derivative right away. Let me keep the notes. Good, this is g. So we have 1/2. That was the result of the power rule. 9 minus 2 tangent x. That's the copy part. You copy the function inside because you cannot touch it yet until you finish the first step. Negative 1/2 was the result of the power rule. And now the chain rule says multiply by the derivative of the function inside. 9 gives you 0. Minus 2 tangent becomes minus 2. Correct. Secant x. Did you say it out loud? You should, because that's how it's more fun to watch videos. Negative 2 secant squared x. And that is the final answer. If you are asked to rewrite it somehow, for example, not to answer with negative exponents, blah, 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 I would not. That sounds like an extra work. But not only you can simplify 2 and 1/2, but also you could rewrite it. So let me show you how, just in case. In case you're curious, secant squared x will be in the numerator. Negative in front because of this negative. 2 and negative 2 got cancelled out. 9 minus 2 tangent x goes to the denominator. Why? Because of the negative exponent. Now it becomes positive, so I will raise it to 1/2 instead of the negative 1/2. That is a very beautiful answer. I actually like it more now because it's shorter to write. The other answer can be negative secant squared x divided by 9 minus 2 tangent x. And guess what else could I do? Correct, I could write down the square root. That is not a necessary step, but I have to say we started with a square root and end up with a square root. It kind of looks beautiful. But all three answers are correct. And in this stage, we needed to know how to go from the very first step to this step, how to practice chain rule again and again and again, which is an extremely important topic and has thousands of applications. So keep working hard and you will succeed. Thank you for watching.